Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Snowflake. For real estate data analytics workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Snowflake for real estate data analytics workflows, start by signing into your Snowflake account. If you don't have an account, visit the Snowflake website and register for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Locate the Warehouse section in the main dashboard. Click on Create Warehouse to initiate a new data warehouse. Fill in the required details such as the warehouse name and size options. Choose a size that corresponds to your anticipated workload. Set the auto-suspend and auto-resume features according to your needs. Next, move to the Databases section. Click on Create Database to set up a new database for your real estate data. Provide a unique name for your database. After creating the database, navigate to the Schemas section. Click on Create Schema to organize your data within the database. Give your schema a descriptive name related to your real estate analytics. Now, upload your data files from your local system or a cloud storage solution. Use the Data section to access the Load Data option. Follow the prompts to choose the correct file format for your data. Map the fields in your data files to the appropriate columns in your schema. Review the mapping and confirm the upload process. Once your data is loaded, access the SQL worksheet to start querying. Begin by writing basic SQL queries to familiarize yourself with the data. As you gain confidence, explore more complex queries to analyze real estate trends. Utilize Snowflake's features like time travel and clones for advanced data management. Consider integrating BI tools for visualization of your analytics results. Finally, frequently monitor performance and optimize your queries as needed. With these steps, you can effectively activate Snowflake for your real estate data analytics workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.